Brothers and sisters, all the kings, queens, I will speak English a little while and I go back to my local language. Ghana is our English, and all the Nigerians living in Ghana, we are so happy living in Ghana. If you honor the whole nation did not give us the opportunity to excel, we will never excel. If they did not give us the opportunity to have a diaspora kingdom, we will never ever have anybody in this country. But they have given us the opportunity to have a diaspora kingship in Ghana. And to the glory of God, for myself, being the paramount king of Freedom in Ghana, to all the other kings, we are all inducted in the traditional accounts of the various areas where we operate. It is a joy to us that this great nation welcome the Igbos and Nigerians. Ghana is known to be a home that all traditional culture. You can't believe